morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope you're staying safe and staying well. This is Mark Dial, maintenance supervisor here at Uncommon Athens, and I'd like to walk you through changing your own air filter in the upcoming weeks. If you would prefer to change your air filter yourself, we will be happy to leave it outside of your door, along with a trash bag and the key to get into the closet. We will stage it right outside your door with the trash bag, the air filter, and the key to enter the closet. All you'll need to do is retrieve these at your scheduled time. You will come to your air conditioning closet, unlock the door with the key, get your trash bag ready. You'll grasp your old filter by the top. Sometimes you do have to wiggle it a little bit to get it out. Pull out the old air filter. Place it in the trash bag. And tie the trash bag securely. Then you'll want to grab your new air filter, making sure to look for the arrows on the cardboard. You want these arrows to face up towards the coil. You'll take the new filter, slide it into the slot, making sure that it engages in the tracks on both sides. And slide it down until it's flush with the front of the air conditioning unit. At that time, I'd ask that you please lock the door back. And you can take your key and the bag with the dirty air filter and place it right back outside your door for pickup. If you do need any assistance during this process, we will be happy to help. Just let us know.